Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Semiconductor Mission launched in India. Recently, Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has launched the Semiconductor Mission for India. The objective of this mission is to develop India into a global hub of electronics manufacturing and design by building the semiconductor industry. Indian Semiconductor Mission or ISM has been set up as a specialized and independent business division under Digital India Corporation. Now, information about this mission. This mission has been authorized to interact with applicants under Semiconductor Fab Scheme and Display Fab Scheme. This mission provides autonomy to applicants for appropriate technology mix, applications, node production, etc. The mission also provides for the structure and quantum of financial assistance for selected applicants. Note that the word fab means fabrication plant. In these plants, the raw silicon wafers are processed and converted into integrated circuits. It is worth noting that in the same month, the government had also announced an incentive of Rs 76,000 crore for semiconductor manufacturing in India. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.